Hello and welcome back. I am Rahul Jograna. In previous tutorial we have discussed about controller, that how you can use controller in your MVC application and different type of action result method with their helper method. So in this tutorial I am going to show you that how you can pass data from a controller to view to use data and modify data within a view class. So I have already discussed in first tutorial that you can use data within a model class or database related class or in a view data and modify within a view class or view component. So let's flip to the Visual Studio to see that. In that, I am changing it, commenting it and returning return view and action method. Within an action method, if we have to pass data from controller to view, then there are two methods which you can pass data. One is view bag, which is here, or another is view data. So in this tutorial I am show you about view data, that you can pass data from controller to view. In here we have one view data within a name and equal to within a value. So here I am provide a name as a email and the value as a Rahul Jograna 7@gmail.com. Let's save it. It is act as a variable which we have declared, and to do use a variable in or data within a view component, then you can do it within a here at view data. The things here, notice it as the name which you are use here, it must be same at here. That's why I am copying it to avoid erroring. So I am put it here. I am changing something here. P, got it and paste it here. And here I am providing an email, and let's save it and debugging it. So data will be passed from home controller, which is here within a home controller view back to index as here. You can see that it is loading. So here you can see within a view controller or view data, you can find email equal to Rahul Jogran 007, which is passed from home controller to our index view method. So this is about how you can pass data from controller to home. So you can also pass your data within a model to a view. So to do that, we have to add one class within a models folder. So right click on models, add new class and give it name. I am giving name as an employee.cs. Oh sorry, my mistake. Let's delete it. Yes, models, add new class and employee.cs. okay, it will create a empty class for us. Here we can provide a property for database related work. As I said before, that you can pass data from a database to your model class. So here I am adding property for employee. To do that, we have one method, public integer employee id. In that, get and
set method, or you can directly use within a prop, type prop and double tap. It will quickly create for a property for us. Here I am name as a name, again prop, double tap and string, and here I am name it is a email. So this is a 3 property of employee class. To use employee class data or property within a controller class, we have to add within our class. So I am deleting it and in creating an instance of employee class. To do that, create employee. Initially it will give errors that we have not importing namespace within our this controller class. So I am importing a class so using with my application models. Okay, this will import namespace my first MVC, which is our project name, and models, which is our model class, and within it I am creating an instance of it, employee. I'm hard-coded data within employee ID equal to, it is an integer. That's why I'm add integer 101, name equal to hard-coded, this is a string. Let's add with double quote Jograna and email, this is also a string. Okay, there is some problem. Oh, here semicolon, not a semicolon, email equal string, that's why double quote Rahul Jograna. Save it. So here it is a look like that. From that you can use data from models to controller. To pass data from models to controller to view, we have to give it the data, view data. So I am give it name as a emp data, means d, equal to the instance name of it, emp. Okay, so it will pass within a view data, and we can use view data within our index method. So I am removing it and declare a one razor syntax here. As you can see here, this is a razor block which you can type your ASPX code or C# code here. So here I am declaring a one class or variable with a name e equal to employee equal to view data, the name of our view data, what we have done here, empd. I'm copying it and paste it here. So it will show the data which is here, all data within a view data. So we have to pass another class here, so it will understand that how data is coming from. So to do that, we have to add employee. It will show error because we have not done. So here it will convert it or typecast within it. So okay, now you can use the property of that. So let's display that p employee id equal to @NE, because we have passed variable name as a e, so that will create with employee id. So this is it. I'm copying it for saving time. So let's name and again remove it, giving name, saving it, and email equal to e dot email. So this is done. Let's run it.